A businessman once bought a massive diamond in South Africa, about the size of an egg yolk. But to his disappointment, the stone had a crack inside. He took it to a skilled jeweler, hoping for advice. The jeweler examined it carefully and said, "This diamond can be split into two perfect gems, each worth more than the original stone. But one wrong strike and it will shatter into worthless fragments. I won't take that risk." The businessman traveled the world, showing the diamond to jewelers in many countries. Each one gave the same answer: too risky. Finally, someone told him about an old master jeweler in Amsterdam known for his golden hands. He flew there the same day. The old jeweler studied the diamond through his monocle and warned him again of the risk. The businessman interrupted, "I've heard that story before. I'm ready, just do it." The jeweler nodded, agreed on the price, then turned to a young apprentice working quietly nearby. The boy took the diamond, placed it on his palm, and struck it once, clean and precise. The stone split beautifully into two flawless gems. Without even looking up, he handed them back to the master. Astonished, the businessman asked, "How long has he been working for you?" The old jeweler smiled. "This is his third day. He doesn't know the real value of the stone, that's why his hand didn't tremble." Moral: sometimes the more we fear losing something, the less capable we become of doing what needs to be done. Treat life's challenges as if they are lighter than they seem, and your hand will stay steady.